Making a fruit fly trap is fairly easy. All you have to do is you need a water bottle, a straw, a knife, and some scissors. So as you can see here, I caught some fruit flies with just using a cantaloupe, orange juice bottle, and a straw, and that's it. And that's all you need. So first, you can get a normal water bottle, drinking bottle. Just remove the cap. Poke a hole in the cap. Then once you poke the hole in the cap, get some scissors, stick it in the hole of the cap, make it a little bit bigger. Just enough to where you can fit a straw in the hole. Cut the straw to right about there. Fit it in, put the straw inside the cap. Put it like that. Then you get your water bottle, get some cantaloupe, preferably cantaloupe or any other fruit. Bananas seem to work fine. Get it. Cut a slice. Cut a slice and cut some slices that would fit to the water bottle. And then just stick it into the water bottle. Stick it into there. Another couple of little tiny slices. Stick it into the water bottle. Got it. And in less than 1 minute, you got a quick and easy fly trap for fruit flies. Real easy. Works effectively, as you can see. Works real good in less than 1 minute.